You got it, Christy! Oh, she's so scared. You can't do it. Oh, that was awesome.
I mean, probably 60,000, then you're going to be fine. You can say, Michael, I'm 1 in a million, homeboy.
I can do this.
Okay, so you'll sit down first.
Oh. Whoop.
And have a great time.
Oh my God.
Way to go, Christy! Drag those feet, homegirl! Nice.
They're gonna believe that their mom did this. Oh my gosh, she let go! Let go! Let go! Let go!
Wow.
Are you like...
Oh, I was standing up there and my legs were just like...
Claire!
Oh, goodness! Oh, that's a nice one.
Daddy,
Woo!
it's
Thank
still
you,
not
guys.
showing sound.
Did that the opposite way.
My stick's
Claire!
gone.
Woo!
You did awesome.
Thank you.
Take my stick. Now.
The blast.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Got the dust coming up. Oh, that's the way to go. That's the way to land.
I did too. Oh my
Oh, gosh.
Double clear. Daddy, here's the picture. Double is clear. Daddy, triple clear, multi clear. Daddy. I see you talking now. Are you happy?
Oh my gosh, look how he's gonna land.
Oh my gosh.
Call that the bullet. Well, there's Kelly right there.
Oh,
Down to a
there.
minimum. Thank you.
All right.
All right, rock star, have fun. Ashley, nice choice. Your husband is a beast. See what he did? Oh, girl, that was awesome.
Backwards, backwards.
Cool, cool. Then you sit down this level.
Yeah. Oh, look at her face. You gotta let go of the rope. And just go backwards. You can do it.
Just take this hand and grab that. So you're actually starting on that. Mike, can we get it clear?
Okay, we're not supposed to be up there yet.
Right, good.
Look at her face.
Full effect of, oh my gosh. Full effect. This hand doesn't hold on, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to.
Just let go.
If you're willing, you can let go of that hand. Good, and then do a little stuff pressing this way. Nice, girl! Oh, yeah!
We didn't think about that either. Oh, that was funny.
Jeez. Now I'm like I've done this for the first time. Thank you.
Let go! Let go! Let go! Oh, ouch. Good job.
time.
Well, that was
job.
awesome.
That was awesome.
Your
Did you
face.
go backwards too?
Yeah. Yeah.
That was scary.
Oh, that was kind of scary.
There, Brooklyn, we go 2 more steps.
Oh, I think you're supposed to stay there. One person on the log at a time, Mom. How do you feel?
Time.
Like I'm 20.
Go Commodores.
Oh, that was great.
Did you see my stock?